Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Judge in Valorant. The Judge is a formidable, fully automatic shotgun, costing 1,850 credits, making it a mid-tier weapon. It truly shines in close-quarters combat, allowing you to quickly eliminate multiple opponents. We will cover its strengths, optimal playstyles, and how to maximize its potential on the battlefield. Get ready to dominate those tight angles and surprise your enemies. To truly master the Judge, understanding its optimal range is key. This shotgun delivers devastating damage within 0 to 10 meters, often securing one-shot eliminations. Beyond 15 meters, its effectiveness drops sharply, so avoid open areas. Always seek out narrow corridors, doorways, and corners. This allows you to ambush enemies as they push, ensuring you are always within that deadly close-range sweet spot for maximum impact. The Judge demands an aggressive, proactive playstyle. Don't wait for enemies, push into their space, especially in tight areas. Use quick peeks and surprise to catch opponents off guard, delivering a burst of damage before they can react. Pair the Judge with agent abilities that can slow, stun, or blind enemies, creating perfect opportunities for close-range eliminations. Think about agents like Breach, Raze, or Omen to enhance your shotgun plays. While powerful, the Judge has clear weaknesses. It is highly ineffective at long ranges, where rifles and snipers will easily outgun you. Opponents will try to maintain distance, so avoid open engagements. Its magazine holds only 5 rounds, so frequent reloads are crucial, especially after an engagement. Be mindful of your ammo count and always seek cover when reloading. Understanding these limitations helps you play smarter and avoid unnecessary risks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.